Hello, this is Hazelnut with a 6 shot, so I'm hungover, but I'll show you how to fix it. Let's go! What you need after drinking is water and potassium. There are so many kinds of miso soup at the convenience store, but the clams miso soup works the best. When I feel sick, I always get a cola or Pepsi. I don't know why, but it works. Personally, I like Pepsi more. Sugary and cold Pepsi goes all in my body. Itadakimasu. Maybe it's a Japanese blend, but when I eat a miso soup, I feel so calm. It's a clam and a calm. Smashed! Next, Starbucks. I ordered matcha tea latte with a no-fat milk because fat makes hungover people like this. Cheers!
So smooth. Oh my god. So smooth. This is like a milk. Like you were actually eating the milk.
Few moments later.
Challenge for tummy, yeah, challenge for tummy. It's, I don't know, I kind of feel like it's a fart, but it could be more. Don't trust a fart with a stomach ache. I know. Oh, find a toilet. Yeah, I think so. Oh. Emergency quest. Looking for the bathroom. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. The top sign has it selling chocolate so sour.
You don't want to experience this, right? I really like matcha latte. It's refreshing. After all those, I recovered. Yay! I think now people wonder, why don't you eat ramen? Ramen is so good right after drinking, but otherwise it's pukey. Avoid. Japan has an izakaya and a diverting party scene, so it's very hard not to get a hangover. But don't worry, now you know what to do it, so just have fun. Don't forget to follow my Instagram for the daily update. Don't forget to follow my Twitch for the more Peppy Meltdown journey. If you don't know what to follow, just go to hazelnuts.com. Thank you for watching!